Hello and welcome back to another update on the layout. As you can see, I have made quite a bit of progress. The main line, as well as the platform sections and all of the points and point motors are all down and connected. It now all works. It's all DCC fitted and up and running. I had to hardwire the 158 with a decoder, but apart from that, all is good, and I'll basically go over very quickly what I've done, and then a quick running afterwards. So I've wired up my my switchboard here. I've only got 4 switches with a disco light going underneath. Now the LED just does not like being recorded on my phone, but that's all wired in, and I have made sure that for the platforms I have one switch to one point, so as you can see there, nice and quickly there with its capacitor, and same with this one. There we go. And I've wired this one up to 2 because there's no point in having one if no point in having 2 switches if I can just do it with one. Same goes for this one over here. I think that was due to watching, I think it was Everard Junction, which was a good video which helped me out a lot with this. And with that, I have left a space here for the fiddle yard switches, and then a space here for the heritage line switches. So yep, I moved the heritage line over there, and the switches up here for whatever I decide to put up there. So as you can see here, this is the boundary between the fiddle yard and the actual scenic side of the layout. We have the heritage line on the left there, we've got our goods on the right and the main in the middle, and I'm expecting to have a few little heritage line sidings here at some point too, so it should fill up quite nicely eventually. And then the fiddle yard here, not very much in it yet, but will have a lot of tracks in it eventually. So in this section here, I am contemplating having maybe a single track coming into 2 for a kind of like a network rail holding area, with a tarmac or concrete area like there, where the wagons and inspection vehicles and all can sit, and maybe a siding as well. I haven't quite decided yet, it's still not planned, but that's a rough idea at least. So this is the where I'm planning on having like an engine shed or something, where all this is for the heritage line. Maybe 2 sidings, not sure yet, but this is the platform coming in. It should fit about 4 Mark 1s quite tightly down this platform. I'll come down here and stop about here-ish. Now it's still early days, but we'll see how that goes out. And like a little turning area here, so we can get so we can run around the pulling loco and put it on the other side of the train, and go back on and pick it up. Obviously, this signal box is not going to stay there. That's just there for decoration for now. That will get thrown somewhere else later. Actually, not at all. I'm not going to use that. I don't want it. But we'll have that run all the way around behind the controls and ferry itself out of the back there via some sidings with some restoring projects going on. So this is the actual station itself. As you can see now, the track is down. I need to now get actual platforms in. Still haven't got a name yet. I'll come to that eventually. But for now, I'm just going to run some trains and for the first proper operation of the layout. Enjoy. And that's all for this update. Thank you for watching. And next time, I'm hoping to have, well, start doing some of the scenery. We'll try and get some more track done too, but the scenery for the main line, maybe some platform stuff, we'll see how things go as time and money dictates. But now is the time to start making it look pretty. Maybe get some more trains and more track and more other bits and pieces. So thank you for watching, and tune in next time for more updates and, well, to see where this all goes. Thank you. Goodbye.